welcome to Scarlett's and Natalia's Toys Review. Now we're gonna start.
What do we have? We have an egg.
It disappeared. Let's get it. Karate chopping minion. Karate. Oh no, a toad fell out. The karate chopping minion. McDonald's toy.
Okay. Hold it out. Hold it out. Okay. Here we go. Daddy's gonna open the package. Snips. Okay.
Okay, let's rip it open. Whoa, it's a very good. Here's the bag. Uh-oh, the bottom. Whoa, and this is the guy.
What's inside? What did we get here?
Uh-oh.
Can you show me what we got? Okay.
Now, let's decorate it.
Can you show me the front of it? I need to see it. Okay. It has to face towards me. Okay. Wonderful. Can you turn it around so I can see the other side? So I can read it, please? Show it to me. Bring it closer. What does it say? It says Choco Cat. Choco Cat. Can you show me Choco Cat?
Cat.
Can you show me Choco Cat, please? Where's Choco Cat?
Choco Cat.
Hold up Choco Cat. Wow. Okay.
Now let's decorate all.
And Choco Cat has a house that's yellow. Okay.
Let's decorate the other side.
Okay.
Oopsie. That's too much wobbling.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Now we can put it on the front door.
Can you show me? All right. You put a telephone. Very good. Can you hold up all the stickers so we can see them all? Hold them up. Okay. And what do we have here? We have got. Can you describe what's on there?
A bed with this is a jelly bed.
And then there's a lamp.
And there's a lamp, and then there's a chair with this.
And then we have a mirror, a bookcase, and then we have a dresser, and we have a pillow.
And we have this.
We even have a clock. Wonderful. Okay, you can take the stickers and
Okay.
start putting them on. And then we're going to see when the stickers are on and how they look once you put them on.
Guess why? Let's put all the stickers on before it's time to go. Let's do it right here. Pillow on.
So the one that we got is, it's Hello Sanrio Choco Cat. That's what we got.
Wait.
Okay, are you putting the stickers on? Show me. Yes, you do. You put the sticker on your fingernail. That is funny. Can you put it on the house now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking. When you put the stickers on, wow. Got a bunch of
Even
stickers on it.
you can put it
You can put them inside,
yeah. We
and
can
you can put them outside.
and then outside.
Mhm.
And this is how we do it. See? Whoa.
What is that?
It's the cat.
So how is your sticker installation going? Okay, are we gonna look what else is inside your egg?
Teacher.
Okay. Wonder Woman.
Wonder Woman. Wonder Woman doesn't really stand.
Oh, yes, she does.
Actually, let's like move her off to the side because we have lots of toys in here. No.
Okay, who's next?
Want to take me home? You know that song?
I do. We were listening to that song this morning.
Uh-oh. We got dog,
And
cat.
cat. Okay. And what do we have next?
I think we have monkey. Daddy, can you just check in that blue thing just for a second? And we have a nice cool bracelet. Let's build it. There's one more piece. And and we even got one of these unicorns.
Wonderful.
We got the bracelet. There. That's how you make a bracelet. These are so cool to make.
You did it? Wow. Very nice bracelet.
Very nice unicorn, see?
Wow.
It's a bracelet. It's the orange bracelet. And you even put on a sticker.
Okay, can you show me what else is inside the egg, please?
Okay.
What is that?
A Dora brush.
Dora brush. Okay.
A mermaid brush.
Mermaid brush. Okay.
Beautiful. A shotgun. A shotgun. And a shotgun. And a dog. And an elf. No,
Is that
not
a troll?
leather.
the troll. Can you comb the troll's hair?
The
Can you use the Dora brush to comb the troll's hair?
Actually, the better one. Watch, Dada.
Mm-hmm.
Dada.
I'm watching.
When you turn off the light, watch what happens.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's supposed to glow. I see what you mean. You're talking about when you
Take
turn off the
off all
light.
of them.
Okay. And it glows. Okay, we're gonna turn off the lights and see if it glows. Wow. Okay, I can't see it. You moved it out of the way, so I couldn't see it at all. Because you moved it. Now I see it. Wow. Okay. Wonderful. Okay.
That's magic.
That's magic. Okay.
She's magic.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
So who do we have here? Can you tell me once again? Who's first? The teacher.
Teacher.
And then we have Wonder Woman. And then we have a cat and a dog. We have a bracelet. Then we have the 2 different brushes. And then the Shopkins. What are the Shopkins? What's this Shopkin? This red one. Who's the red Shopkin?
It's a croissant.
And this one? The green one?
This is a greeny pinky one, and her name is.
What name are you gonna make up for her?
Her name is Birthday Cakey.
Mm-hmm.
And Skatey Skateboard. And there's a dog, and there's lipstick, there's a bird, and there's a bracelet. See?
All right.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up if you want to watch this channel. Come on, you can watch it. If you want to make one to yourself, I can watch it too.
That's great. Thank you, Scarlett. Say bye.
Bye.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video, and tomorrow is the 3rd video. Oh. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thumbs up for this video.